Certainly. Below is a comprehensive review of the Python crash course by Google offered on Coursera, along with a code example to illustrate key concepts. Python Crash Course by Google 2024 Full Review Overview. The Python Crash Course is designed for beginners who want to learn Python programming quickly and effectively. It covers the basics of Python syntax, data structures, control flow, functions, and introduces libraries that are commonly used in data analysis and machine learning. Course structure. The course is typically divided into several modules including 1. Introduction to Python basic syntax, data types and variables, input and output. 2. Control flow, conditional statements, if, elif, else loops, for, and while list comprehensions. 3. Data structures, lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries, working with collections of data sets, and dictionaries. 4. Functions, defining functions, parameters and return values, scope and lifetime of variables. 5. Working with libraries, introduction to libraries like NumPy and Pandas, data manipulation and analysis. 6. Project work, hands-on projects to apply the learned concepts, real-world applications of Python learning approach. The course employs a hands-on approach, encouraging learners to code along with the tutorials. It includes quizzes, coding exercises, and projects that reinforce the concepts taught. Structured learning, well-organized modules that allow learners to gradually build their skills. Interactive, engaging quizzes and coding exercises help solidify understanding. Real-world applications, projects related to real-world problems ensure that learners can apply their skills practically. Supportive community, access to forums and discussion groups for peer support and guidance. Cons: pace. Some learners may find the pace a bit fast, especially if they have no prior programming experience. Limited advanced topics. While it covers the basics well, it may not go into depth on more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming or web development. Code example. Here's a simple code example that illustrates basic concepts like variables, control flow, and functions. Python function to determine if a number is prime. Def is prime. Check if the number a prime number. Run the main program if name main explanation of code. 1. Function definition. The function is prime. Checks if a given number in is a prime number. It returns false for numbers less than or equal to 1 and checks divisibility for numbers greater than 1. Main program. The main function prompts the user for input and calls the isPrime function. It includes error handling to ensure the user inputs a valid integer. Execution. The ifName main block ensures that the main function runs only if the script is executed directly. Conclusion. The Python Crash Course by Google on Coursera, an excellent starting point for anyone looking to learn Python programming. Its structured approach, combined with hands-on projects, makes it a valuable resource for beginners. The code example provided illustrates core concepts that are fundamental to programming in Python. Overall, this course is highly recommended for those interested in entering the field of programming and data science.